How to fix Instagram comments not showing or not loading problems. So hello guys, welcome to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily. So first thing, open the settings, go to the wireless and networks, and then go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it like this. Now go back to the apps manager on the settings. Click on the apps right here on this page. As you can see, you'll find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram. When you find it, you have to click on it like this. Now after you click on it, it will take you to this page. All what you have to do here is click on this option. As you can see, it's called storage. Click on it. Click on this clear data option to clear all the data that you have on the app and clear cache. Go back, click on force stop and restart your phone or turn it off and on again. And congratulations, the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.